Hello guys, welcome to this channel Analysis with Ashish. This is my new video. In this video I'm going to solve managers with at least 5 direct reports. You can see guys, I have already covered previous questions in my previous video, so you can check it out also. So let's start this video. So in this question we have only one table, employee. It's contain ID, name, department and manager ID. According to these questions, we have to write a solution to find managers with at least 5 direct reports. Return the result table in any order. The result format is in the following example. Here is the example table guys. You can see that we have IDs, name, department and these are manager ID. So guys, we have to find the name. You can see the output guys. We got only John as output because you can see because we can directly say that John is a manager of these 4 employees. You can see that manager ID 101, 101 and so on. So 5 employee works under John, so we can get this name. So let's write a query. Select a star from employee E. We can guys use join, self join E2 on e.id is equal to manager ID. E2.manager ID. So in this query I have joined self join. I did self join with the same table. I joined same table with self. So I wanna join this table at this condition. Employee ID of the first E and the manager ID of E2, table E2. So it will return. Let me run this query and you can see it return like for John. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means manager ID of John all are same. So you can see guys, I have joined both same table self. So here the manager ID is different, you can see, and here manager ID is same. It means I have joined e.id, ID of E table and ID of manager ID E2, ID of manager ID of E2 are same. So I have joined this table on this condition, and let me, because we want only a single name, so we can do one thing. We can use group by e.id and as output we want only e.name, right? So guys, let me run again. So here we go guys. No matter, this query will accept it successfully, but this query is not correct guys, because For this test case it's correct, but we have to also add this condition in our query, 5 direct report, so we can at least 5. Note it guys. So now I'm going to add having clause like this, count of e.id greater than or equal to 5. It's mean count of employee id greater than 5 or equal to 5. It means at least 5 direct report we will get. So let me run this query again guys. Now its query is correct 100%, and let me submit this code. Yes guys, you can see that our code is successfully submitted. So thanks for watching this video guys, and please hit the like button if this video is helpful for you, and please subscribe this channel Analysis with Ashish. And thank you again guys for watching this video. Bye bye.